So welcome back everyone, this is Shubham and you're watching Wrestling Battle. Friends, WWE 34th Annual Royal Rumble taking place inside the Thunderdome at Tropicana Field this Sunday, January 31st at 7 pm ET with the kickoff show beginning at 5 pm ET on the WWE Network. This is the third year in a row that the Royal Rumble taking place at the baseball park. Last year's event in Houston drew a reported 42,715 attendees, while this year's Royal Rumble will only have the virtual attendees. Friends, this is my results prediction video about Royal Rumble pay-per-view. So friends, please watch this video till the end because I'm going to talk about the facts, and frankly guys, whatever is my prediction, most of the time it goes absolutely right. So please watch this video and it's going to be very interesting for you. So please watch this video and I'm sure you are very excited for Royal Rumble. So please watch it. And please subscribe this channel and hit the notification bell so that you can get the notification of every video that I am going to upload in this channel. So friends, let's start it. Friends, let's start with the WWE Women's Tag Team Division, and the match we are going to see at Royal Rumble pay-per-view. It's between champions Asuka and Charlotte Flair versus the challengers Nia Jax and Shayna Baszler. Nia Jax and Shayna Baszler were blindsided when Charlotte Flair replaced Lana as Asuka's tag team partner at TLC, putting her premature end to the powerful duo's tag team championship reign. Nia Jax and Shayna Baszler have teased a breakup recently over their mutual desire to win the Royal Rumble match, but these two will pick up the win with the help of distraction by Lacey Evans and Ric Flair. Asuka clearly has business with Alexa Bliss, and Charlotte can only ignore Lacey Evans for so much longer. Frankly speaking, friends, we know the Asuka and Charlotte Flair in the team, but frankly speaking, they are not in the team. They are doing absolutely separately storylines in the WWE. So I think it's a very unfair with the women's tag team division. So I think the title should move to the opponent Nia Jax and Shayna Baszler. So my prediction says that at Royal Rumble pay-per-view we are going to see the new women's tag team champions. So my prediction goes with the Nia Jax and Shayna Baszler. So friends, this is my prediction regarding this match. If you want to comment anything about this match, if you want to comment out on my prediction and you want to say anything about this match, any prediction, any your thought, anything, you can do it on the comment section. So please let me know. But my prediction goes with the Nia Jax and Shayna Baszler for this match. Friends, talking to the next match which is just announced today at SmackDown show, and that is Sasha Banks versus Carmella for the SmackDown Women's Championship. Carmella and her Somalia have been tormenting Sasha Banks since she defeated Bayley to win the SmackDown Women's Championship last fall. The two had an excellent match at TLC pay-per-view, but Carmella doesn't feel like a major threat to Sasha Banks' championship reign. Banks needed a true heel to help her, give her Sasha Banks' boss character a major obstacle to overcome on the mic and the ring. Banks needed someone who will challenge her character to her core, and Carmella isn't that opponent right now. So I feel that at Royal Rumble pay-per-view, Sasha Banks will defend her SmackDown Women's Championship very successfully via pinfall or submission. So my prediction goes with Sasha Banks for the Royal Rumble pay-per-view. So what is your prediction regarding this match? If you want to comment anything regarding this match, please let me know in the comment section. So talking to the next match, it's a very big match. I'm talking about Drew McIntyre and Goldberg, because at Royal Rumble pay-per-view, Drew McIntyre is going to defend his WWE Championship against Bill Goldberg. After finally getting past Randy Orton, Drew McIntyre has conquered every challenger on the Raw roster at the age of 54, and in coming off a loss to Braun Strowman at WrestleMania 36, Goldberg doesn't seem like an ideal opponent for Drew McIntyre, but Raw has booked itself into a corner when it comes to a strong heel challengers for Drew McIntyre. But I believe guys, a win over Goldberg here will win another feather in the cap for Drew McIntyre, whose run as champion in 2020 was a highlight of the year. So my prediction goes with Drew McIntyre. He is going to defeat Goldberg via pinfall or submission, anything. So my prediction goes with the Drew McIntyre for this match. If you want to comment out anything regarding this match, if you want to say anything regarding this match, you can mention in the comment box, because comment box are fully open for you. So please tell me what your prediction, what your thoughts regarding this match. Please comment out. So talking to the another big match, it's the Roman Reigns versus Kevin Owens for the WWE Universal Championship, and this time it will be a last man standing match. Roman Reigns has already defeated Kevin Owens in a TLC match and a steel cage match in this current feud, and now the two will meet in the last man standing match. Kevin Owens has had a most consistently excellent matches with the Roman Reigns throughout his career, and this one will be no exception. This match will likely have the vibe of The Rock and Mankind's I Quit match at 1999 Royal Rumble. Kevin Owens will continue to push Roman Reigns physically and creatively in this match as the two solidify the legacy of their rivalry that has now spanned 5 years. As much as fans love Owens, Roman Reigns is only growing more powerful and comfortable in his role as the tribal chief, and Reigns will be Universal Champion going into WrestleMania. Owens' future is less certain, but his chemistry with Roman Reigns is undeniable. So my prediction goes with Roman Reigns that he is going to defend his title successfully at Royal Rumble pay-per-view against Kevin Owens in the last man standing match. He will be the last man standing at Royal Rumble pay-per-view. So my prediction goes with Roman Reigns, the tribal chief. So friends, what's your prediction regarding this match? Who is going to win this match? Please comment in the comment section. I'm waiting for your comments, but my prediction goes with the Roman Reigns. And now the two most interesting and exciting matches that you are absolutely waiting for and you are very excited for. It's a 30 men's and women's Royal Rumble match. Friends, let's start with the women's Royal Rumble match. Friends, there are so many things we are going to see in this match. Some of the big returns we are going to see in this match. Rumors are coming out that Becky Lynch and Ronda Rousey could be the part of this year's Royal Rumble match, but still they are speculation and rumors, not confirmation. But if I talk about the winner of this match, so friends, right now Bianca Belair is the favorite one to win this match, but my prediction says this: either Bianca Belair or Alexa Bliss is going to win this year's 30 women's Royal Rumble match. So my prediction goes with Alexa Bliss. Friends, if you think that anyone apart from these two women can win this year's Royal Rumble match, you can mention in the comment box. Comment box are still open for you. You can tell me in the comment box. I am waiting for response, and I want to know that what's your thought regarding this match and whom you want to see the winner of this year's 30 women's Royal Rumble match. So now talking to the men's Royal Rumble match. So friends, this is one of the most exciting match in the history of WWE. Even I am very excited for this match because I want to know that who is going to win this year's Royal Rumble match. Friends, talking about the surprises, then WWE already revealed some of the surprise returns like Edge and Braun Strowman, and friends, we are expecting some big names surprise returns at this match like Brock Lesnar, new character of Fiend, and Keith Lee and Carlito. So friends, these are some surprises that I'm expecting for return. And if I'm talking about the winner of this match, so currently favorite my superstar is Daniel Bryan, because according to betting odds, Daniel Bryan is going to win this match. So my prediction goes with the Daniel Bryan. And if I talk about the another winner of this match, so I think Edge or Brock Lesnar is the next one who can win this match. So friends, my prediction goes with the Daniel Bryan, who is going to win this year's Royal Rumble match. So friends, these are the 6 matches that WWE has been confirmed for the Royal Rumble 2021 pay-per-view. Apart from these matches, I believe that 2 more matches that WWE could add in this list. So these are the 2 matches are Bobby Lashley versus Matt Riddle for the United States Championship, and Big E versus Apollo Crews versus Sami Zayn in a triple threat contest for the Intercontinental Championship. So I believe that these 2 matches could add at the end in the Royal Rumble pay-per-view list. So friends, this is all about from this video. I think you like this video. Please hit the like button and share this video, friends. And friends, please make this video very successful and please subscribe this channel. Friends, we will meet in the next video. For now friends, take care family, take yourself. Bye bye friends, thank you for watching this video.